My name is Patrick Ottosson. I'm the Managing Director for Radarbolaget. I will have a speech about radar system for harsh industrial environments. And that is also our value proposition, a configurable and accurate radar system. We develop radar products either by ourselves or through partners from our own developed radar platform. The key segments are steel industry and also district heating. In the steel industry, we have two very important partners. It's Sandvik, important customer, but also OEM partners who develops product but also make international selling possible. Within district heating, we have a local energy firm, Gävle Energy, working together with, but also an international paper pulp company called Billerud-Korsnäs. The customer need within these two segments are measuring in harsh environments where no other sensor is working. The environments can be foggy and particle dense atmosphere, but it also can be measuring where you have no line in sight, for example having an obstacle in front of the sensor. But they also can be measuring inside steel furnaces where you have to measure through a ceramic wall. We can also use this radar system to investigate material properties, which is very important for district heating, where we can investigate and determine the moisture level. The approach for the steel industry is to decrease the environmental footprint by making temperature measurement of steel bars. What we are using the radar system to measure the expansion of the steel bar inside furnaces. And from that expansion, we can calculate the temperature of the steel bar and determine when it's ready or not. District heating is a way using the radar system to determine the moisture level directly on the lorry. And by doing that, saying to the lorry driver, you should tip your wood chips directly on that pile because it dry wood chips, or on that one because it's wet wood chips. The benefit for the steel industry is about 3 to 5 gigawatt hours per furnace, but it also increases the product quality very much. The market is foremost international, which makes the partnership with the automation very important. The cost per installation about 5 to 10 million, sometimes a bit less, depending on the size of the furnace. Benefit for the district heating industry is about the same, 3 to 5 gigawatt hours per plant. But they gain foremost better logistics. It's very important for them to make fast measurement because within a minute, the lorry driver has to decide which pile he's going to tip the wood chips on. Today, they mix dry wood chips and wet wood chips, which make big problems. But there's also an accurate measurement that existing ones is also meeting the legal requirements and can also be a part of the billing system. The market is foremost in Sweden. They have about 125 large district heating plants. And the installation cost is about 2 to 3 million Swedish kronor. The competition in the steel industry, we have no other competitor, but in district heating, they have tried infrared, X-ray, and they're foremost using drying cabinets today. All these three methods are based on sampling, while our method is based on averaging, and that's the reason why it gives better accuracy. It takes quite a long time. Using a drying cabinet takes 24 hours. We can do the measurement within 60 seconds. But our method is also non-destructive, harmless, contactless, and very robust in these environments. Our market strategy is always to work with repeatable products. We always work with the first idea, which we put 4 to 8 hours on, make a report, then we go further down and get paid for feasibility studies, but also working with null zeros and products. Our team today is 5, but we're looking forward to have a team with a normal company, about 20 persons. We work in said segment, but we also work in other segments like loader cranes and with the cement industry. The ask today is to find a partnership for new products. In longer term, we also are interested in finding network and financing for faster growth. Today, the finance is carried out by customer financings and also partner financing. But our owners have said they're prepared to finance up the company with 2 million Swedish kronor next year for faster growth. We have also granted loan from Almi for 5 million Swedish kronor directly connected to this district heating development product. And we are looking for external financing. If it should be in 1 year or 5 years, we are not sure. But as we have seen that the turnover have grown with 30 to 50% the last 3 years, we're looking forward to grow the turnover up to 100% a year. The turnover this year will be 6 to 8 million, 10 to 12 next year. Thank you very much.